to add the missing item here, which is Epic, you are going to click at what project settings, which is at the bottom there. This is how it will open when you have clicked it. So on the side there, which is here, you are going to look for project configuration and also team configuration. So you're gonna click on team configuration. After clicking on team configuration, you see the first thing is backlogs. See only the backlogs whereby only the team can manage, your team can manage. And then backlogs or navigation. So here you're gonna select this one, which is what Apex, so it needs to be selected. Yes, after selecting that, it means you're done adding the epics. But if you want to see more based on iteration, you can click there and then you can see the iteration. And then areas also, you can see areas. But templates, you can see more of them. Task is there. You see this, so these are the templates, but you can also create your own by clicking here, new template. So you see Epic is what a template, and then bug is also a template. You see user story also is it's a template, but that's something for another day. Okay, so now since we have added the Epic one, let's go back to the boards, and then you're just gonna point here on the green icon, and then you're gonna click pause as it provides you with more options. Now let's see if we'll succeed. Yes, now it is there, it is added, so it means you can start with with the section A. But before you do that, let's add the remaining of the stuff, which is repos and the Git.